To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
I'm gonna listen to you, baby. Cause you are all I need. She's begging me, please don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Mama used to tell me love was something like a secret. Don't tell it to no one if you know that you can't keep it. It should be fun, but only with that special one. No, she's begging me, don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. Begging me, don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. Cause all I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Is it love? Is it love, baby? This song, all that's been missing. There's just all that's missing. No. That's all
Ruben.
I'll
go on there.
Yeah,
go on with.
You good?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Talk to me.
I'm on my combo.
Oh, the money?
Yeah, my computer now, so.
Oh, give me a second.
Wow, I'm so tired to come down and say me for your money, you know. Ruben,
I come.
I'm not gonna make a guy make it so.
I'll put 9 below. See. So I go on the friend. You good? Backside, boy.
Boy,
Eh?
just there, take it easy, you know.
Song the man, look like I've... Song no, your friend. Song this.
I gotta go on along. You know, so I can't talk to your friend a long time. Day. Boy, why your brother gone? I'm not dating nobody at all. Yeah, because you know, say, the man they are the big daddy in the streets.
Yeah.
So, I didn't want to go see no local idiot on the road and then go running and I'm just running like that. Because I can't lower my standard. But anyways.
So you say no man really check out for you like that on the street and sitting.
A whole heap of them check me, man, but I don't want to lower my standard. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, I ask you if you know a rich friend.
You
can give me.
No, listen to me now. My brother drop out, you know. See? But what you have to understand is that he set one foundation where you can collect money every month. And the money we are collect every month, you can maintain everything for you. So if you don't like, if you say you want a companion, you look for love, it's different. But if you say you look for money, that's sound away.
Listen.
That's sound away to you.
Listen.
Or you don't feel no way about it?
No, I feel a way about you, but listen. I understand, say, he left a foundation for me. Yeah, me and you know that. But at the end of the day, woman want to look a service there and so my time feel lonely. So
you have to just pick up. Alright, so you basically tell me, if you find somebody for you, then if you want to say that now, I'm going to approach it that way then, because how you say it now is different now. Alright, listen. Me have 1 and 2 virgin man, I can say. You know what I mean? What? I'm going to say virgin means to them, no, say, I love you, I look for.
no, I know that I don't listen to. Me no want you get no man car come give me away. Him will come in my house and see my luxury things them. And because he see them, him can't bother buy me what him supposed to buy me. And that's why me say, one of your rich friend them.
So,
You understand?
alright, no problem.
I want somebody who can take care of me. Somebody when I go lower my standard. Somebody who can higher it up. You understand that me I talk about? So nobody feel like say me I look for a man out there for love and now. Me I go love him, yes. But if he have him money too.
Alright, so if that is still, me now go stop your flow. See? If me find one of my brethren who can take care of you and also service you, me will make sure say, you know what I mean?
And
Me will link
cherish
you.
me too.
Well, you see, at that I think that should come first. But big up yourself. You know what I mean?
But nobody feel no way, no, because I not violate your brother thing, you understand?
No,
I
man,
not violate
no,
his thing.
I'm gone, man. So, you know what I mean? And I expect you to just lock up your thing and turn none. You understand?
Yeah,
so,
for
we never
real,
expect
for
that.
real. And I forever love him. I forever love him. Right now, him then I'm back.
Well,
And I before him pass away. So, I'm a love of my life. But anyways,
we shout them, man. So, mountain again, I will see you
yeah,
can
man.
collect.
Yeah, man. Mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, later.
I'm going to try to see if I can organize something. If you send the money to your account. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not like you. Show my brother, you know, I'm not look at you.
Hello.
What going?
There, what happened?
Yeah, David.
There. You know, say supermarket me I go and me can't bother fi go to supermarket go buy bag. You know no bag can lend me.
Where you say? Where you just say?
Me not even have enough money to
So,
buy
no,
grocery.
wait. Hold on there.
And I drop.
Looking at that.
Let me see.
Okay. You see little chicken when me have the last time me get one little partner money. I know me not done pay off that the partner money there. And me collect it. Me buy 300 chicken. 250 of them dead. That
How
mean you
come?
know say I lose the heat. You know say heat can kill the chicken them.
You know buy one AC put in
From
a
when no
cold
rain no fall, AC see you gone too far, then no look how AC expensive. Watch me, 250 of the chicken them dead. 50 of them me did have left. Me end up have to kill them before 6 weeks and sell them for when have one little change in my hand. Right then now that the money there, are the current bill me take here and go pay. Me no have not even dime. Not even a red cent, me no have a penny. And you must know say I
Me
told me
never
that
ask her for
because
money.
me and your friend they no money if you buy bag, me no have no bag. Me no have no bag. So, if me no have no bag and me have the money, are you fi understand what me I saying? You ask me for your bag. I don't have any bag. If I did have the money, I give you make you buy a bag. So, me just explain and tell you, say, nothing nah go on. No rain no fall from when the eat dead off the chicken, then me tell you, ask anybody who raise chicken. Remember say you have your little shop, you know? Me have my little cub.
My local shop, my shop locked down. Not now go on in the empty.
Then that me they tell you have your little shop around me and my little cub, so you must know business go. Sometime me up, sometime me down. Right now, me the plan to see if me can go up one of me mother family them by fear side figure ask if they can lend more money. Yes, if buy back some chicken can nothing go on. Me say me go down so other day.
So you want to go borrow money in for your partner?
No, listen. You don't understand. I may tell you, if me not have the money to go pay the people in their partner, how me I go pay? So me borrow one money, buy back some chicken, go and raise them and sell them, and the profit me take time pay back my partner. You don't understand me? I say, Marika, me your friend and you know me come down already. Me not like who people. God know, girl, if me have the bag, me give you it. And if me no have no bag, as me tell you before, and me have one little change from, but I guess buy your bag, man, that I know nothing, man. You see right you know? I clean me, I try clean up here, so, cause nothing nah go on, nothing, me just get bored and just say, me get up and clean up right here, so.
So now fix the next side I cover.
Me not penny that there right now. Me I think how fi go up on my mother side, the family them go borrow the money.
So we are going to
buy
get
back
fair
the
if we go up
chicken.
there, so I ain't
Look
have
here.
no money.
A woman me name. Me born blessed. Me not born lucky. Me not believe in a luck. Me believe in a blessing. Whole heap of people out the road know me, you know. Not tell me say. I saw me wicked for me go up on the road, go beg a drive. Or who the driver then. And he can't give me. You mad?
You
No,
love
man.
who? No, you love who, you know?
I know who me like who. If you not have the money, sorry, fi do the thing. You not go work. You have to beg your who if they know. Some people don't want to get things for free in them brother. You trust if random that mean they know so them will get back sitting for. So where you want me to do?
No.
Anyway,
So you
you're
can't
lucky.
call them and make them send it to your account. And
No,
have
they're not
account.
gonna do that. Me have to, you see that cousin that my mother have? In kind of stingy, you know. But me I tell you, me have to know how to go down in a details and all kind of sin thing and mix up. All lie me have to tell him to get him money. But me have to go in person. Me can't, which banker? You're mad? Finger fees, me not give him back. You're mad, man. Girl, you not go down in the supermarket. Just go in one Chinese supermarket, them and tell them, ask the lady we name Kristen. Them say, Candice, if you give you one bag, me will pay for.
No,
when
so
me
I'm
come
not
down
do
there.
that.
So what you do? Can you stick them in your hand? Then, alright. Cut long story short, because I'm busy right now, you know, here and now. And you want to go buy. You're lucky you have money if you go to a supermarket. Me nah none. Here where you go do now. If you want to go buy 100 items, nobody buy 100. Buy 99 and take the harder money, we would have make you 100 buy one bag. You're good, man. So look more here.
Alright.
Yeah, man, because guess what? Me I try clean up right here, so I have to go make a run, go down the road. Nah, tell no lie. You see right now? I think about to fly out if me did have a visa, you know. Mood mind me did have a visa. Because you know, say nothing now go on for Jamaican currency.
No, me see it.
Nothing now go on feet with money no value, nothing. Right now, I program them, me hear people them a talk about, must see, I don't even know if me I say good, HB2 or whatever program.
I don't know
where you can go
them.
a hotel, go work, and make some serious money and come back and set yourself for you and your family them, and if you can help one friend, you help one friend or sitting car. Nothing now go on there, so you know.
Nothing go on.
Nothing now go on there, so I'm to fear, man.
I'm to me, man. Right now, to tell you the truth, you not depend nothing like that, no. Not at all, you not depend.
How much time if you tell us if you leave him and them when they depend nothing?
Me can't just get up and leave me, man, so what kind of thought that?
So you like him and them when they depend nothing, and then you turn around
No,
and pick a big bag.
me never said.
Then me and your friend, and we are like sister like that.
What
We
you
know
mean?
one another long time. Me know you, and you know me before you about that the dirty foot boy there. And you want to tell me say you look good. You go text you can look good and cute. You say you're not left man. And he can't give you one bag figure shop. Hey. You're lucky, you know.
Disrespect me, come over
No one no disrespect me, I disrespect you. Me I tell you the truth. Say, don't talk to no man that cannot help you. Time too hard, things too rough. You look like you love sufferation.
And I say me love sufferation.
No man, you love poverty.
No, listen now, when me
and if you love poverty, me and you can't friend. We are going to cut off you right here, so now. Me and your friend, and me can't talk to you.
Me meet the guy one time in up there. You know, say work all year.
Up which part? Where what you in there? Up where? Then I hold you off a foot so sharp. No, go so. You
no
try
work
trick me. You know what
me
say
nah trick you.
Yeah, man.
No work nah give.
Give? No work nah give. You have trade?
Yes.
You have education?
A trade man.
Trade man. What kind of trade you?
I'm a carpenter. Where you talk about?
Carpenter?
Yes.
So you tell me say all of the nail them in the hardware. And the two before them. And the one be three. And if I have so supply, who can buy steel and black and cement go buy that? What you say? What you say? He can't get no work, he can't this and he can't that?
He don't
Anyway,
get no work from when.
sorry for here, but guess what?
Oh.
You see me now? As me tell about the overseas thing, I show me no visa, make me not get to go away and go up and then work there and same thing. Let me tell you something. Or me have to go ask somebody how the link go about the HB2. Because I need to go away and set myself, because if you turn yourself, you suffer. Nothing now go and look there. What kind of cross is this? Me and your friend, for your shop lock down, it whole of the heat where they come down Panwy. Like a volcano. Kill off the whole of me fall them. So what you want me to do? Turn you and suffer with you?
No,
sufferation and sin.
Hello, me not have no visa.
But you know say police, they don't know if you lock up people for? The police, they don't know if you lock up people for come. Me feel say they feel lock up people if they're poor. If you are living a poverty life, me feel say you feel go to prison.
No, why you would say a thing like that?
Because some of we not no ambition and we don't want to work, we want to depend on people. We need to live an independent life and stop being dependent. Oh, you come a big bag. You not get what me say. If you did independent, you the big
You know
bag.
what me feel say you did have me back,
No,
but you're
man.
not obviously
Have your back.
no,
Put
you're
you
not
up
have
on
me
the
back.
line. Make you understand.
You don't
Say,
have
little
me
dirty
back.
foot boy, where you did about him a carpenter. Come sit down and wait for you to go a shop go buy 14 mackerel and 16 mackerel. Let me sit me out of style. Me name them till me weak. Me tired of it. Me want lobster,
You can't
shrimp
take time and talk. People there on the neighborhood.
Hey, you too fast! Come in and chat to none of you. And that's why you see them people there over there, so?
That's crazy. You know, so me never like talk to you yet because
And then the people they take for your friend and when they don't say me your best friend.
I'm your friend, girl, but me come to you and ask you for
No,
one
me
bag.
know.
Look
Why you
how
afraid to talk to
loud.
me so loud? I don't want them here because you sit down and chat me with them. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Me not no bag
Me
for
not
you.
sit
Go on,
down
where you
and
go.
chat to you.
Right now, me vex. Because even if me have one bag, me that change your mind. Where you content about people? Me and your friend, where you know them from?
Me
And me and you move, come here and so.
Jesus.
And then the junker, they just come there, so.
Lord God,
Youth.
why make you stay so? Why you stay like that?
Right now, me vex because the whole of me fold them
and
dead out.
off your fold them.
And right
so
now,
me
there so
problem
stress out. I know you come and chat about bag and then I tell me about neighbor. You will know where I am, and if you want to keep them for your friend, you keep them for your friend. Right now, you know, I'm go about my business. Cause you know, I'm put this right here so till me come back. Me not no time for waste. Cause right now, me don't know where you depend on with your man depend. Him a carpenter. When me keen go get one visa too. See me.
He have visa.
What visa?
My man have visa. And me not have no visa. You there chat off your mouth and you don't know half and nothing what going. See you can you run galang down the hill. You not even wait for me explain for myself.
Your man a visa?
Yes.
And in there Jamaica?
Well,
and sit down and suffer.
Me I go talk to
Before
him
he
about
go
if
overseas.
he go.
Go, you better in there, none. In your visa and sit down here. And the ball say him suffer before he go look work.
You know, so you have problem with everything.
Everything.
If you
I lick no lick
encourage me
sense
and
in
say
here and you
that's
not
true,
see.
go and
So,
go tell the man to go on a friend, then you start talk about.
so you feel say me
tell
your
you
worst
something.
friend? I
Me
put me
never
and
say
put
you have a
sense in your
worst
head.
friend.
It better you did have a visa. Why send some people have visa then and sit down pan and not use it?
I
Better,
don't know.
God knows send you me could have crossed out in name out of it and take out him picture and put in for me if you could have walk me take you and gone. And go walk back
Go
some
on,
money
cause
and
you're
come
very
give me look about one
desperate.
different
Later.
one. What you say? Look how much.
Bye.
So go on now, you turn up in a me yard do. You take
Me
too
not come
long.
back in your yard again.
No man, you have to come back.
No, me not come back.
You have to come back. Me and your friend and
Me
the
and
truth
you
me
no
tell you.
friend.
We feel learn
As
how to
friends
survive and make
friendship
money.
done as we say later.
Funny how we would risk it all for a dream. Funny how you would give it all up just to be happy. Only if you know what the future holds. Heart of man can get so cold, but still we try, even when tears run from our eyes. We try, we cry, we try.
Hello, babe. What happened? No, I'm good. I just come from supermarket. Yeah. I not get everything when I want, you know, because I not even buy oil or I normally buy. And normally I buy 16 mackerel. Well, I could buy 4. Yeah, I know, but I remember say it shop locked down, so nothing now go on. I see my friend Pinky today, you know. How your background sound so? Did they work? Oh, alright then. Yeah. No. Listen. I'm gonna make your background sound, so you sure they work? No, no, nothing like that. You know, say, me believe you. Me know say you not cheat for me or nothing like that. Me just want to make sure. Yeah. As me I tell her say, me see my friend Pinky today and she tell me say Jamaican money and Jamaican money now going with nothing nowadays. Yeah, you know that. Your visa still up and running? Oh, that good, that good. Me did I talk to Pinky and she said to me say, or me cannot go overseas, go get one work. That's the more better for we. What you mean me go carry money in your house? No. Why you, no, me not laugh. No, it's serious. Why you think that? Listen to me. You remember when we meet? Alright, you know what amount of man did after me? Alright, I'ma choose you though. Exactly. No more than ever do that to you. I'm not cheat for you. I just see better of your life. So we have a better future. You're not coming tonight? Then you cousin? Alright, no problem. Go and go work. Because it sounds like a party today. And you know me not like party. Anything you say, Sarah? Yeah, later we talk more about this. Alright. No problem.
Barry!
What's going on, son?
I'm here see around there, you know. Why you love the yard there, man?
The embassy a carpenter out me, you know. And when me get a little money, some of the people there home me, some of them pay me in a piece. And why better me man to the yard, no, because if in the yard, at least me know.
A food you want she to cook for you, that's all you're into. Brother, you can't have a woman in the yard a cook food and not go a certain way. Yo, how much time you try to introduce you to the, you know, for me local business and thing, I say not interested. I may understand, say, you know, you don't want a certain thing, but bro, you have to come up to the time, man, and stop the foolishness. Stop waste time. You time waster? Eh? Right now there, sir, and you're stressed out.
All right. Since you said this and said that, I mean, you know, me want some money. Or you not call me if you put on a roof on your house, or you tell me about from
I'm not ready for that yet. I say, we have to put things into perspective, you know.
Then how you make it look like, say, me no want work.
I'm not saying I want work, but what you do now make as much money. But right now, when we link it, I'm not going to make it just deal with just the bathroom part, you know. More I deal the whole house. And when we are talking about that, we are talking about, well, you have to charge me with the money still.
You see what you're saying?
But no, but I work.
Then that's why you have to pay me money because I work.
Alright, so that the list we're giving for material, them, brother. That the list for material alone, I look for 350,000. You understand me? I say, I have my life to deal with, bro.
Yeah, but you also have to deal with, say, you have to spending
yeah,
money.
That, no, I'm not that good, man, cause you know.
Hey, so different, walk along.
Yeah, I'm just like come link your brother, cause you know, like, I have one thing I want to go on, but it's like, say, I want you to just steal the girl, one extra girl. So she, you know, but I just feel woman, I know, so sometimes, you know, like, you just lack off certain way, I say, just enjoy yourself a little bit. What if that girl...
So what you want me to do with the girl?
No, just stay there with her.
That's forward. So what, you have a girl when she can't leave her yard without her friend?
Yeah.
Or so you just want me come play 666?
My brother, you have to use some terminology, I can't take it. That's why I can't understand how things are work, bro.
Yo, I don't want to. Alright, yo, we talk about it, come on, we talk. No, we're not talking about it. We talk about it, come on.
Me I shout to them if I not be the case. Because me have my girl the money for me people the money for go drop off.
I do it, me there me yard, and if nothing come up, man, and you can't make me get a little work.
And
If
that
you nobody at the low, just call
no
me.
work now go on right now. Just remember say me say later on we just go par. See?
Alright,
look come on.
Damn, I think that.
No, catch me the ear nice in your background.
So we had to walk and watch me?
No, me not walk and watch you. I'm just a come check for you.
Honestly, me never expect you to come down here. To be honest. I know you're not going to give me a valid reason why make you come down here. Yo, right now, I'm still upset over that phone call, you know.
What do you phone call?
Yeah, because it come like see us run me away for go and find.
I not run me, I run away. Me want better for you too, you know want better? You know want your future for better?
Yes, me want our future better, but remember, say me alone at work, you know.
You want me go work then?
No, me never tell some why you go work. Me never want you work. Me don't want you work. But you have to understand, I can't pinta what me doing, man.
Me understand that, but things slow. You know, say everything gone down and Jamaica money no value nothing.
Don't get better. Or when we can do, me probably try to see if me can probably line up sit with 2 hours we can go instead. You understand? That's the best thing me think.
You must have no visa, you know.
Oh, I don't remember about that.
And you alone have.
I don't remember about that part. And me can just like come here visa your passport and you go through the border. And then when you go through the border, we meet you up there.
Me not go through no border. Me not like the idea there. So you one can go and me stay in Jamaica. Yeah. When you work and send the money to me, I'm save you.
You know what? Go on home. When we go and talk about this, guys, you are sitting there and sound good in my ears. I know. If you got a friend, work your money and send it come.
So wrong with that?
You know what people they are foreign and what money come send to Jamaica and all that sitting nothing.
What go happen? Nothing can happen.
Alright, you me I tell you, just go on home. When we come home we talk about it. Alright, and now we just need some little time to just go and cool out and go and think about my future.
Good, no one for we, you know. You think me want break it down or nothing? Me just want to have a better life.
Me never say that. Me want a better life for myself too. But yeah, just go on home and when we come home we talk about it.
Alright then.
Alright?
Yeah. Later.
Yeah.
Mar! Oi! Come in. Oi! I wish breeze blow you up yourself today.
Oh my God. Santi. Oh, go on.
There, I'll find you better one.
Boy, girl, I've seen nothing. If you talk to you about.
How do you?
One little man where I can check more like me off. Girl, all the man that come around my spirit can't take him. Like, for my spirit and for his spirit, it can't blend in. And, when I tell me I priest, I want taking things, but me don't want taking things. Because you know them man stay when I take them things, they want something in return.
Girl, if a spirit not take him, work with a spirit. But me can't tell her what to do, 'cause you're a big woman. You understand?
Girl, him into me, you know. Like him real like me can't see it, but my spirit just can't take him. You ever have one man around you and all you try to like a person, you can't like him. You way how you feel like him. Boy, me kind of pray still if me fi can him out, taking things and can him out. And peel him out until he done.
Me not really agree to them something there, you know, because things can happen. Anyways, me have something to tell them.
Come let's spill the bean, girl.
But if you call a friend this man, when I come home, when I talk to my boyfriend, and he make 1 and 2 call, and he might be here tomorrow morning.
So fast?
Yeah, because if people them when call, they say they want somebody ASAP, so you just be up and down the matter right now, feel it for tomorrow.
You see that girl? Girl, me say if you see that, what if me need pin this in your head for you tell him? Eh?
True, girl.
Girl, me tell her say, God work in mischievous ways. So, me happy for you, no. Me happy for you, no, me not tell no lie. It's a good start.
I'm happy too. I can't wait for him grace still, but I'm gonna miss him. Cause I'm not gonna get to call him and talk to him, I want to talk to him and stuff for it. But as I go, we just have to do what we have to do to make things work in our life.
Girl, no worry about the calling part, cause everything all good. You understand? The man go over there to make money for you and him.
Yeah, so
The man now go there to go make no look chum change. I go there to make a proper money.
True.
So just calm myself, girl. Girl, Lord Jesus Christ, me happy for no. Me backside, that's it. That's how me telling you. So when I say opportunity for no way, pay attention to it right away.
True, man.
Can't be so when you don't make that the opportunity pass on to box cover.
God good too. Anyway, I'm getting first pay check next week, Saturday. So, you know, so by week fi end, my shop up and running.
I lie.
Yeah.
So, you can't get the money from you. Eh?
Huh?
That means I can go and check if you want money.
No. You know, always I get money mountain. So we still want funny poor.
Anyways, a joke. Me there make with the girl. Run me there, run me out with you. You're not free. Dash it on me so without warning. Anyways, I come take me a little time go on my yard there because I want to really see what them man are up to.
Go and do your thing, but be careful. You hear me? I want to be careful because you know what going on nowadays.
I know what going on nowadays.
Just be careful. Go and check
careful.
much.
You're lucky. Go see what going on. I mean, I can't peel no man. Hey, later, my friend.
You know, someone I like you.
Later.
I'm here, Ruben.
Oh. Oh, God, Ruben.
I'm there. I also call sitting there for my friend, but him say anyway. I can't come. Stay and wait till he come.
Oh, inside the panel?
Yeah, man. I just call him and send him away, man.
Oh. Yeah, then.
So everything good?
Yeah, everything good.
Okay. As I said, I just shout him and he say he's soon forward and sitting. I cook.
Yeah, I cook.
I'm just wait and until he forward. Why it smell like a curry chicken you cook around, man?
Yeah.
Imagine that easy. Oh, see your phone here. Look how relax look a bit now.
Why you want me to relax? Because
Oh yeah, that's the reason me not there by myself, just sit down and just not and talk. You know, cause you know. So what's something different, man? Too.
no,
Come down.
I'm going.
Damn, man. Why? What a son? What a you got a road for morning?
No.
Son, what?
Voila. Why you just barge in that place and drop down nice at you, so?
No, me I say son hot out the door, so me just relax myself a little bit. At that, I don't know, like, come on, but so you know, used to me I come visit you
Yeah,
my brother,
but you
my
just
brethren.
always have a style, you just drop down yourself and look at yourself.
Sorry, if it means say, at that you see, I am sorry, but me just feel comfortable. It's when people feel comfortable, you make it sound like it's a bad, something bad them do, but come on, man. My food smell like it are going good, but anyway, why in my time it is like you win a jackpot having a woman be there and cook for you. You know what I mean? And you washing clothes, don't you?
Yeah, that's a woman's duty when you tell for one man.
I tell you, say that, trust me. You say it simply, but every woman have your perspective and of thinking, Most women right now on road, them come in, them expect a man to buy KFC, buy box food, come, and them something there. You know.
That's a waste of money.
Not me I say you're a good woman. A woman like you is something where you can't buy a street, you can't buy a club. You understand? Yeah, man, so me I say big up yourself and me appreciate the fact that you take care of my brethren. You know what I mean? Take care of my brethren, man. Sometimes I have to wonder, warm to me, because every time I book a woman, they want me to start one business, they want me to help them do this, they want me to all kind of thing, and then toes, they disappear. That's my problem. Because I'm afraid to help people, but my problem is me I help you, and then you help me down. So me no help 55 somebody in 1 week. That can't work. Eh?
Then when they come wise up, stop spend out your
Yeah, but how
money,
if you wise up if a girl come and smile with you and tell you say, I can be that one. And then say, just prove yourself. But they must have to prove yourself. That alone I go on now. And then me now win my little money and thing. Sometimes me not lie. It was the last month me use out for me.
your sister-in-law.
Yeah, my sister-in-law. I don't know that word, but yeah, she use out the money a little bit and a good thing one little rose come. I mean buy one little thing and invest it and the money turn back over fast.
You know, so she's not too long left for you, so.
What she going to talk to you about?
I want to know that.
No, but
we are friends, so we talk about fruit one of business.
If you don't want to tell me of your business, I don't really tell you say I have to tell because girls talk. And if girls talk, we can't ask about it. But me I tell you say me personally, one day one woman one angel can just drop from the sky and just appear and me get to fall in love. I mean, maybe I come easy for fall in love, me I give them money and something. Alright, I'm broke, broke like a truck.
So, what you gonna do?
I feel, friend me I can link up and see if you have no way to lend me some money or...
I'm sorry feeling I go work out in that no money, bro.
So we live?
No, so we live, but me I tell you say you don't have no money right at the moment. Right now, 6 mackerel me always buy and 4 me have to buy.
You're forgetting something, You remember say, right before the shop lock, and me put half of the money and go for no do no business. You forget? Me not chat about it, but me I remind about it because you forget.
No, me not forget, but if you don't have no money, what me gonna do?
What do you mean? No, but then suppose something happen before you come here.
Nothing gonna happen.
You see people like you, you wish bad for people, that's why certain things always happen to you. You good on, and then afterwards, I say, oh Jesus, want to be me salt.
Come go on home because he just text me saying now about that coming. He go stay down and cousin. So I have to go good on them. I go carry food down there go give you. He now about that come. Probably he soon call and tell you too.
You must catch me, smile, you chat me. Thing good. Remember, me tell you, say, just be grateful for the tender mercies. That's all me I say. So so based on the pot where I go on, if you say me can get a little bit to eat or something.
You know, so I not go done in time.
I'm not saying none in time. I can come back. I can come back.
Me making call.
In Africa, I can come back and you just give me my food, even just push your door and give me.
So I not to eat down your yard.
If I have something to eat down my yard.
Alright then. Yeah, you can call it your door and then turn back.
You know, like how this feeling, I feel like I have big. You know what? Keeping the food. Keeping the food. Everything good. Just remember, say, and me, this a Ruben here. When make uno get through with full thing.
Like you, like.
And when uno get through with full thing and it go through, and me have to call uno and say, he come through, he got through, and then guess what uno do? Uno say, watch ya, me never remember to call you. The same person who call uno and make the thing go through. See, I'll $10 upon it. So see I got money?
We have to save because
I give me go gain. You think hey, don't do that again, man. I'm not a kind of person for thief kind. Eh?
Come, go on the time I get late.
Everything good. Me must say mental, no say.
Nice to come
when carry money come go no, and uno actually get this something achieve, me not think so me forget the treatment here.
Hey,
you laugh.
You need to
Me not think me forget the treatment here.
That's why you can't keep a woman in your life.
If you cook and you have little bit can share, why me can't get none? Me, Ruben.
Me never say me never say that. Me tell you say not done in time. I'm tell you say come back.
When a person say food not done in time, hint, galang in your yard, cause you not get none. That you try to tell me. Better tell me say galang in your yard. Than for you be a hypocrite and come go on like say, yo, I'm a fool, you know. Me go to good school, you know.
Ruben, how much time I call on them?
Me no business with me take her. Me yeah, everything good. Me not go lick you, cause me not make my friend feel say me abuse you. But if you can't share,
yeah, come back to it later.
Listen man, the man saying soon come and you know if he come and wait for me, so we just come out so and wait till he come. And plus time ago so we don't want the time run up, so the best thing man.
I cannot call him and say for in there or something.
Alright, we soon call him, but you are going. I don't want to talk too much about him. You might come. Soon call him. But just want you to know. So I appreciate the fact that you encourage me to go. I think I best thing we do. See? So you are going, you know. $700 instead of pay me a week, you know. So I will send you 300 out of 7. So I left me with 4. I can just put on 2 one side and use on 2 live. Right?
That's one good idea.
Yeah man, so you just save out of that and do what you have to do to go forward back. Alright. She look like him come back, you know.
You sure say him that?
Yeah man, I feel him on that.
Babe, you can't trust me, you know. We just want to know so me have your back, no matter what.
Alright.
That's
me believe you man,
You sure?
Me believe you man. Just have to just ensure say you just save what you save out of it and take care of yourself out of it.
Yeah, me go take care of myself and you go frighten if you see amounts of money we go come back and see in our account.
Yeah man, me I gonna make you proud. I want you to make me proud.
Of course, me gonna make you proud. Me go look work on the side, you know.
But as me tell you, me never told you want your work still.
But one hand can't clap.
Alright, well if you say you gotta work, just work and just do what you have to do. And just nobody have no man no.
You come back with the argument there again?
Yeah, cause me I got a foreign and me know me not got no woman a foreign, you know. Me I just keep myself to myself and keep myself in check. That means say, I don't know if I believe that. Yeah. But anyway, as I say, yeah, me just keep myself in check. So me just look for the same thing for you.
Don't worry yourself. You don't have to fret, baby.
Oh, yo! Turn! Alright, turn and come. Someone of them come like a joke kind of man.
In late and if we just...
Alright, so as I say, as I reach over, WhatsApp you and make you know so I reach. So
Alright.
you come here? You come here?
Of course, I
Okay,
would
okay.
come at airport.
You come and think say, yeah, all this stuff.
No, the jacket. Just hurry up, put in the bag. Cause we late already.
Come here,
Watch
come
out.
here,
You
come
mind
fast.
the bunks, you?
Come fast.
I'm sorry for late today, brother boy. Alright.
Play up. Alright, nobody put you in the back. Just put it here. So go on the next side. Go on the other side.
Yeah, good.
Alright, come here. Alright, come in.
So she come to?
Yeah man, come in,
Oh.
come man. Watch your road. And the police that way, so.
Yeah, man, a policeman.
Them have roadblock.
My roadblock, you know.
Girl,
Oh, gone.
I have something to talk to you about.
You happy though?
Our lives are nice. Anyways, take the link, girl.
I lie.
I swear to God, you know, say man send me 100,000 on my account. Just look at that.
You told lie. So you give him that?
No, I hit me a
You send him a
contact to you
picture?
about. No, listen, I hit me a
Oh.
contact to you about. It's very rare to a man take up so much money and send you, and you not give nothing in return. So right now, I wonder if a real lifetime something this or a dream me a dream. Cause girl look at me. Oh Jesus, me sort out. Me well sort out.
You told lie. You can't believe this. So you say man just send her that so.
Yeah, girl. So actually like I want good man me find. I don't know and the door running.
At least I get through in our life.
So I go on.
You know say for your brother-in-law come up here one day. And when he come, no, don't laugh. Me not laugh. This serious. When he come, he might go on one way. Me not like how he might go on.
Girl, no worry about Ruben. I saw Ruben stay. Nothing but I look at though. Cause
Look,
he love woman,
me?
you know.
You're crazy. You can't do that.
Anyways, no but I pray them they sitting there. Cause once I think about it, I pray.
No, girl, not like that. You're crazy. Remember, say, my man gone, you know? He gone.
Like gone over.
He gone over.
Backside, girl. Say, you know, see, some things are going for you too, are we?
Yeah, girlie.
No,
So
sir.
I'm proud of that boy, man.
Me proud of you, me not tell a lie. If me never
So-
come put into talk and put common sense in my
Alright,
head.
you can done now. After that, you know. Thank you. Alright, thank you. I forgot to thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mighty God.
Me happy about the situation, girls. Anyways, them baby tell me say, and next week Saturday I get money. And so the name Saturday, so they
So
get
that-
thing now.
Look here. Let me tell you something. Take your time, go your yard. Because you get money and you still want out of family money when me get. But you crave for a girl.
So who no fi crave no money?
Come, go
So when
on
you come on, so MONEY, and my name that. And we will big up yourself, my friend.
Should you come here and give me something?
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, my girl. Later, walk straight through my gate. Yeah, fast sister. Come go. How that?
Ruben. What going on?
No, how you want?
Let me talk to you for a second, man. Come on, really want to keep up. People see what I'm going
Come, do it fast. Chop it up fast. Come.
Make it sound like someone welcome here.
No, I never said that. No, but through your friend not there here, I no want. really have nobody in our place, understand?
The thing is that me have to come check on you because I know saying gone, tell me saying gone up my brother and some more come now. So you're good. So you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
I mean, why you there stand and worry about certain things, because what kind of friend I should be when that happen. You know what I mean?
Mm.
So what me I say to you is that financially speaking, everything alright? You sure? Don't tell me yes if you know, say no,
I'm good.
Because I know I'm a friend girl, in some situation like this. You understand? Because look there, me see about 2 pieces of chicken on the counter. How long that can last you for? So you have to be careful. So really and truly is like me I say to myself, so I don't want my friend, kind of, I never spend money before. This is Europe money. You know what I mean? You know my friend girl kind of in a situation where she not have enough money to take care of certain things. Because how me don't feel if you're up here and you want a little help and you can't get the right help you need. That not feel good. I'm not comfortable to know that. You understand me? I say so. Me basically I say, push come to shove, let me help you out. You understand? And just leave some money so you can buy extra stuff.
What do you mean when you say make you help me out, like me wash for you and cook for you and then you pay me? That's all. So what me gonna do for deserve this money?
Let me tell you something, man. Everybody in life, the catch us, somebody chat me. Everybody in life, want something. But before you want, sometimes you have to, give to the next person if you then get what they want and everybody happy. You understand? So basically me I say, me as a boy, me don't know, me bad luck with woman. So me kinda give up that part. You understand? Which like if you look at woman, you have cook and clean and take care of me, rub my foot and all them something. You know what I mean? Or me do the same thing for her, sometimes cook for her or whatever. I don't know, be a ghetto girl, me link up. As me start talking, them say hello. And then two, them won't get loaded and it's like a market there, everybody walk. So I say no, I leave it alone. So I say, this can be yours. This is like 700 US. You understand?
And then when me do forget that me I ask you.
I could just go to bedroom and do one thing.
Go do what?
You was a cash me again, somebody else chat me. I say, we just go to the bedroom, go do one thing, and just one time now hurt nobody. You make it sound like this a one time if me do it. Every time it come and I watch him, I say, boy, if me virgin, you lucky. So me know me can't get it for myself. Come respect my virgin and a female girl. You understand me? I say, so why mark it before you left? No, jeez, I'm pity us. So
You ain't supposed to.
I say no. So something I say is that that's one time thing. We not it again. So if you do that one time, nobody nothing know. If nobody know, you will tell them.
One time.
One time.
Sure.
That means I'm sure. Me sure. You sure? All yours.
Alright then. One time.
One time.
No next time.
No next time.
Then, come on.
Ready? Come on. Well, lead the way.
Hi, babe. What? Yeah, I'm good. How work? That's nice. Yeah, me collecting money today. Yeah. No, Monday week me go stop back shop or something. Yeah, me I go save some of it too. Me nah use allied pan the shop. Me I go save. Yeah. Oh, miss that too. You soon see me. Alright. Oh, I break it upon. Yeah, come when I leave work. No problem. Alright, love you. Bye. Mm. But wait, I wanna go. Jesus Christ. What put on the English, you know?
Yo.
What now? Is there left something?
Yeah, man. Let's hold it for something. What the
So
thing
when you
is,
left them for?
well, I'm saying, me not lie. No, me know. You see, sometimes you wonder certain situation is different from your know a situation. Yo, big man, no? A big man, big yo.
What now?
It's like me go down to my yard and I say, want to extra money down there a while ago. And I say to myself, say, I can't afford for, you know? I can't afford for invest. I want to call me. I want somebody to call me. Hello? Alright. Yeah. Where say? Yeah, give me extra 2 hours. Yeah, man, respect. So you say that money they reach? Alright, my boss. So that me I talk about, man. And money we say. Yes, right? Money, yeah, man. Respect. So me I say no. That money, you know, just consider say me I help you out and you help me out to come. I get what I want and you get what you want. Me not gonna make it be a regular thing. This is the last time. I mean, you know, say rough it 2 days, two times in 1 day, but you know, now that's my work, you know, come here long distance too long. You know what I mean? All this happened. Alright, so I don't know if you imagine.
You serious?
Imagine I make 1,400 in 1 day. That's just that be a joke instant. Oh, that's it, man.
But me,
Imagine how proud your man will be for you. See when you call him now and tell him say, you get money and you do extra little work. Can't tell him say I wash clothes some places are you don't know anything. But me I say you deserve it, man. Right? So curl the one next thing because what me I say this a time yeah. You know after you jiggle so hard, you can't take time jiggle. You laugh cause you know says just take your time cause me feel say the reason me come back to you and come here and say don't too fast.
No, I mean, I want you feel like say you know what I mean, me a stula. You know what I mean? So that me I say, me just take time jiggle and bother, cause when you go so fast, it's like a $700, you know, $700 that. I mean I lose 1,400 that, nearly 200 and something thousand. No, is that I mean I think about that. But yeah, me I say, you ready?
Oh boy. Me not like this, you know.
No, what you like, man? It's just that, yeah. Remember, say I invest, you know. And your man go proud of you. My friend go proud of you too.
You sure?
When me say me sure, so hold on. When you call him and you see money and money there, you know, must think your man go proud of you. Hmm?
Yeah. I remember so outside I can't
No, me not really. That's a me. You know, me just used to me do my hands off to just create a little diversion, say. You know, really.
come before people start to get.
Me catch it.
As I said, and give God the glory.
Reach.
I go on.
But there. So yeah. You ever watch some movie and a man
Hold on. A movie you call me out of?
no, just this way me I say no. You ever watch some movie one time some woman in a some situation where it's like the man can't take care of them, right? And one next man come in and a borrowed money and the woman starts sleep with the man for money or something. But and I like say they want to do it, you know, they just want to do it because they want money, understand? And it gets to one point when they're tired of it, when they don't want it no more.
Alright, let me tell you something. Knowing how me stay, then there's something that can't go on with me. Cause it's only an idiot girl do them things there. Continue.
It gets to one point when they just can't take it no more. They want tap it, they want go back to their normal life. Like they don't want to collect no money from the person. What you think what they always do in a movie for
You
come out
tell
of the
me.
situation there?
You tell me.
They always is it that they analyze the person or they pay a man for do certain things, understand?
Mama. What you try to say? Where you come out and start telling me now? Where you really I try to say?
No, I movie me I watch me a medicine movie man and me say me I call you and tell you about it.
Alright. You see what me say now? No man can ramp with me. Cause me a hot girl. I'm not stoop low. You understand? And knowing how me stay in a real life, that show that man. That show all a boy body right now. Or take something and knock him out. Or poison him. Or carry him one part and chang him, kill him. You get what me I say?
Yeah, me get what you say.
But me know you have sense. So things like that can't go on with you because me know you have sense, girl.
You're crazy?
Mm-hmm.
What's so mad? Nothing like that can happen to me.
But as me say, me a mad girl in a real life. So when things not going with you, how if it's supposed to go with me, but just dash with that. You understand? Me not do it. Me not do it in a real life, but me just suggest something to you.
Yeah,
Say,
I understand the answer, man.
you want to get rid of one problem. And a life is somebody dash him away. And that go on a movie though. Yeah. So
Still, you know, I movie me I watch on YouTube, you know. And me I look for it and me can't find back a movie. And me say me I call you out to tell about the movie. Cause the movie they interested, you know.
why?
America.
America.
Jesus Christ.
This is a swear thing, girl. Look money I can't find a girl. Me get time so.
You know what? Which money me fi call lend you? You know have somebody that give money already?
Me never sell lend. Me say me swear thing, guy money I call me for water. Me papa on me neck. Come out right now. Standing upside of you.
I never see a friend that love money, so I guess later.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, dear team.
Yeah, me I clear my head look of it.
Understand how Marika no come over here from me talk to her about her foolishness. Let me call her. This a girl here take too long to come over here, you know. And me have seen to talk to her about. Watcha. Me backside. Girl, you go live till sun burn you, you know?
I'm supposed to.
No, sir. Me I wonder how you not come check me from when I want me from me talk to you the other day you go on like I say no want link me. I'm your friend for life. Nothing can stop that. You just know say me down to earth and me straightforward. Me plain, me just tell you the truth. If you vex, but me and still friend. The arm they sound like a one long arm. Hour. Just start.
Me do one business, right? When me collect money and something, but
that's nice if you're doing business where you collect money, man. What kind of business? Where you do pick coconut and sell and anything?
No.
Or you go down a market go sell vegetable and something. That's a nice business that you know, because right now people are dead for hungry and we need too much meat, we need to eat some vegetable. I'll come buy some from you. A vegetable yourself? What? Yeah. She said she had a business on a lot. Right now, I'm happy for you because you see your shop did lock down and our next business you start. That's nice and you collect money, girl, right now.
I know that the type of business there.
What you mean? What you talk about? What you talk about?
I don't know why you are choosing business for me. Why you do that?
Oh, sorry. Are you come to talk? Let me listen to you. Sorry. I am so sorry. I won't do it again.
You know Ruben?
What?
You know Ruben?
Ruben. Me know one Ruben. But the Ruben we me know, me don't know if I see him Ruben you the talk about. Where you know that the Ruben they from?
I'm my boyfriend, friend.
Eh?
My boyfriend friend. You don't know my boyfriend friend. You don't know Ruben, he Rasta man.
Ruben will live as Sam?
Yeah.
Ruben. And Ron ya saw look how much Rasta man there they must see near Ruben. The Ruben we may attack it, you so cut?
Yes, Ron
and he have locks up
and he tall.
Me know him, girl. A long time me know him. How he dead?
Dead.
Oh God,
So
I don't tell me say I dead in dead. No, what do him?
Why that time first thing I
because me don't know how anything can know in a life. You know see where I go on. You see so not. People can't just walk and drop down all day and did pay all hungry.
No, me I do one local business with him.
You two are together?
Yeah, it's all together, but more come out of business.
What kind of business you doing? Like sell drugs and stuff? What you do? Mind what you do, you know? The police will lock up your backside.
I don't know like that. I want to you. You can chat in.
No, what do me? Me must be swallow radio. Alright, talk.
Yeah, me I do one business as me I tell you.
I'm happy for you, you know. Me don't know where you chat about if me chatting. Me I get paid for chat. So you stay there watch the chatting then me I do. Where you say
I don't talk.
Me I listen to you if you start talk again.
So, a business what me ever do, more come out of business because me not feel comfortable doing the business.
You know, see a shop lock down. How you talk about you dey do business and then plan to come out? This a girl I'm mad. You know see where you going now, no money no there. I'm matter of fact, what kind of business you do? Cause everything me say you say no Italian, I must play in your work pan. You a pilot? Are you air hostess? Congratulations, my friend. Big up yourself. So me supposed to can get one work.
You want to work?
Pan the plane, I'm not playing
You
your
want
work.
to do business too?
If I play in your work pan, cause long time you want to turn air hostess.
Me
And if
can
your man a pilot,
me can make you start a business and meet up with you know.
what kind of business that is?
Okay.
What kind of business that?
Ain't give me money for sleep today.
What? Liar tell. So that the dirty business that you want stop and put me in it. Me, Marika, me candy we sit down here so.
You know, and
Marika, front yourself. Marika, me and your friend. No, let me take time. I hope nobody know over your fence line. I listen, cause right now, you turn me in a idiot. Cause me feel say, I want good business you they do. To collect money and support your shop. To help me talk back and make things can go on to you. Marika, you really a sell front to dirty foot, Ben? Matter of fact, Ben, are your man friend? And you are sell. Wait there, hold on there. Marika,
you
not
understand. It never. It did one time thing. One time
One
thing.
lead up to two.
But it
After two or
constantly,
three. And when I say three, you go
every time
four.
in they come back and say one more this and
You
last
see
time.
it past
And
12.
in they carry 700 US can't give me.
Area. But Marika, this is more and shame and disgrace. Remember say. What name? Ruben?
Ruben.
Right now, me turn idiot. Remember say Ruben and your man where they both with that day say a visa and I'm a carpenter. A big friend. From a long time me know them. Them the two man they are friend for life. If you say nothing about one and the one they hearing tell the next one. Nobody know the right so you see fold them dead out. Where you talk say? Neighbor? Look how far people them then they must see all asleep. Them not wake it. You have lazy people who sleeping and so that when they wake up they weak. Them not hear me. My mouth big and loud and me love chat loud for you understand what me I say. And anytime me they correct you always a chat about. You chat too much and you not listen to me and you not this and you come and downgrade me and you put me down and not put me and put you down. Me want you get up. Hold up your head. Have ambition. Focus on your future.
Then
and think straight. Are you tell the focus on? To sell front?
No,
you the focus on your
no
future
one
to sell front?
I'm
And guess
not
who you
selling
sell the
it.
front to? Your man friend. Tell me if that's right. Marika is a wicked girl although me and your friend.
I'm not wicked.
Why you would really go there with your friend? Jesus Christ.
We just
You make me a ton idiot.
just do
Why
one
you would
look one
really
and
go
two.
there with your man friend? And a matter of fact, you they sell in front and take the money from your man friend and go give your man a yard cook. Nyam. I want to sit down and enjoy.
Man there Jamaica.
How when he gone?
Look how long he gone.
You know that you have to tell me, man. But listen how you go. It's still wrong. Ruben and your man is friend.
Me
And
know.
you say your man not there here, which me cannot prove it. So call it saying gone for true.
Yes.
At the end of the day, them are friend.
Yes.
Marika, me not say you give your man bun.
Mm-hmm.
But you know see no other man pan God earth. You go there with more than your man friend.
Me
He's a
I'm
wicked girl. You who no make man do no things. Who no make man do no things. Me nah put up no slackness with you, me and your friend. That's why me you can't agree, okay? So when me a lick out the truth them pan you vex and you go your turn out long before you come back over me yard, but that good. You notice me, always I think positive things. Come here, I think how me fi up back me fall come. Me at focus for my future to live a better life and live an independent life. While you as my friend, want to take yourself turn in a one little butterfoot girl. Oh, you figure sell your man friend front.
Christ.
You know an ambition, man. Me and your friend right now, me shame. Me shame of you. Me shame a kill me.
I know.
But if me and your friend and you do them sitting there, look how me go book a man in life and me have a man and he go hear about you and go think say me and you the same thing. Girl, don't do it. Cut off Ruben right now. A time for you cut him off. Dirty Ruben we used to look me. Dirty Ruben we used to look me.
Ruben used to look here?
Oh, you mean a stone me have to stone that up from me gate? I be a stone me hey, yes when me a give me stone, me take it for joke and a laugh at me, cause I want clown, you know. Yes when you see me go for me ton bill, me mash it, you know, me mash it, you see me with you so all the while. Yes when me go for that day, you know, want see me run like the horse them down a Cayman and strap. Oh, me no play with him. You know, if you make man use money and catch you. You see all you? Right now, all you want give 2 stone out of me yard. Go along which party they go, man.
No good about me take myself with that situation.
Yo, go along which party you go. Cause right now, me feel like to give
Yo,
you a
can't
big
don't
stone.
bother the foolish man.
You can't sell your man friend front. A matter of fact, friend, you have a man, you're not supposed to have 3, 4, 5, 6 man. Man,
Me
we
don't-
hurt you.
Listen. It was a one-time thing.
One time, and you tell me, oh, I need to come back. That Louis Charles past 12.
No,
You went catch at 12, now you look like he past 12.
Can't do later, cause you know, I don't know me come over your yard for.
What do you mean you don't know you come over my yard? You come to tell me your business and for me correct you,
I
but
mean,
you don't
I
like
come
take
back
correction.
again.
He's an idiot.
She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me.
Oh, what kind of place this?
Nobody around, listen. So we can easily do what we are do. You understand?
Listen. Again?
What you mean say again? So when I arrange for come here, sir? Feel last time. Oh, you must send a picture of them? Relax yourself, man. Pull back a seat, pull back a seat.
Me just
Pull back a seat, no, pull back a seat. Back a seat, no? Yeah. Pull it all the way. Alright, make it tangle a little bit. But me I sit here, say. Yeah, make it sound like say when you don't talk about this already. After this, I know more.
every time I that you say, every time, me tired of it now.
Well, if you're tired of me not tired of it, but alright, listen, man. One last time. Yo. Ready?
Me not ready yet. We have to do it.
You collect my money. Alright, you me go do. Me go send him the picture them.
Alright.
Me go send him the picture them then and the video. What a good thing me take a video of you. Cause you don't really take me for idiot, you know. Me don't like when people take me for idiot star.
So we are going to.
What you mean say me a go answer for? You mean me a go answer right now?
Alright, turn your head, me take off my clothes.
You mean
Me want to surprise you, me can't surprise you. Look over so.
go take off your clothes or that do
No.
if that's the case.
Take
Go take off your clothes and come and relax.
Alright.
And make sure you
Me put on something sexy, yeah?
listen. Go and go pee-pee. Cause last time you tell me say you want pee-pee. And yeah say
Me
about
don't want pee-pee.
do it fast. People in the place. No, my nose will catch me again. Hurry up, man.
Somebody over chat to you. Ready?
Well, I'm gonna take a shot. I'm almost ready.
Yeah.
So you're going to say I take off?
Funny how we would risk it all for a dream.
Just subscribe, it's free.
Funny how
Just subscribe.
I'm gonna listen to you, baby. Cause you are all I need. She's begging me, please don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Mama used to tell me love was something like a secret. Don't tell it to no one if you know that can't keep it. It should be fun, but only with that special one. No, she's begging me, don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little little part. Begging me don't take my hand if it's gonna end up in a one-night stand. Just be truthful to me, cause all I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Is it love? Is it love, baby? It's all that's been missing. There's just all that's missing. No,
Hello?
that's all she needs. She's begging me, please.
No, I'm good. You're good? No. I just because me not hear fire from yesterday. Yeah, because they say leave your charger at work. And you can't go charge your phone until I go back at work. So I just kind of feel, yeah. Yeah, I miss it too. Yeah, the fan break. Yeah. Yeah, me I save the money and everything. When I come back, you will like go there in the account. Remember me tell you? No, not do me alright. Why you continue to ask me what do me? I'm okay. No. I'm not go on the road for a morning. I just oh, I miss you too. I can't wait to see you. You know, some cook your favorite meal though. Yeah, come do you feel lonely? Alright, later I'm gonna go send her something. That will make you feel a little better. Fine. Alright. Later. Love you too. Bye.
Marika!
Now come!
Why she take so long for?
Yeah.
What she doing this for? Girl, I see me somebody run me down. You take so long for open the door.
No, I'm in the bathroom.
Bathroom I did there? Mind tell me say a lie at you. What on?
So I make you come out to your house in a bed slippers.
Classmate, this is stress. You're lucky you see me in a clothes. I told me drop asleep in a good dress because I'm tired. But me couldn't find no shoes. The whole of my slippers them pop out. And my shoes them then too tight. I buy it smaller than the size so then couldn't go up on my foot. Where my bed slippers? It hurt you?
No, sir.
Oh. How far money this? A dirty Ruben, you figure drag sitting from and on me.
So we're coming outside with the bed slippers for?
Yeah, your right name? Bed slippers. That means if you wear in a house. Eh? Anyway, better not tell me when I come out.
Where you come, boy? You want borrow
Me
money?
nah laugh a serious thing about borrow money. You have money?
Wow.
Big sitting and going out the road. It's stinker road. I don't know how you know here. Me here, everybody here. And worst of all, me see it with my 2 eyes. So me know it's true.
Oh wow. Talk to me.
Ruben gets stabbed up. Somebody stabbed Ruben. It look like I say Ruben go broke people supermarket or some business place and then catch him and have him up. Master, I don't know if I security do him so or I win go broke
So
fight.
business place in Rob.
Me no know, I just need a guess. I did not say how that thing do. But you know say a man them and I don't know if him a work and when hungry bite him then we want to go do things and things happen to
But
them.
Ruben have money, why would I want to go rob?
You never hear me just say. And me just a assume. Me not judge him, me not say it. Me just a wonder what.
So in dead?
If Ruben did dead, mother tell us saying dead. Me see Ruben a walk on the road with his hand, burn up, and the blood a come through the sitting. Look like I said them the doctor they don't dress good or a nurse. Me don't know what happened, but the band look like you want change. And it look like a fresh stab. And when could I do something that somebody they stab him so oh God man that somebody they wicked and wicked. You see, I just took, let me tell you. You see Ruben? Me no hate him, you know. But me no want him. Me no too like him like fit David. Me just like him like a friend. But you see, if I were ever just my cousin.
So only honey get stabbed pan.
Me don't know at which part me see the blood and the wrap up, ban up, sitting me they tell you about. Maybe he get stabbed elsewhere, me don't know. Maybe elsewhere stab up on him and him hide. The kind of thing when want me to see it, can take him next and cover up so. So me don't know what happened. Me see him all hold him back and somewhere else pan him. Maybe he get stabbed elsewhere, I don't know. Cause me they ask him and he they act like I say. He no want tell me. No, he no want tell me. So that's why my mind I wonder if as people play single broke and then stab him up. Cause you see, them people nowadays they don't want to work, you know. They watch people until they work and then they go rob them. And want lick them down, kill them to them too wicked. Then if you work although me not judge him, me never say that thing. So no, but I go tell them anyone I friend them or if you see Ruben, you tell him say, Candy say whatever.
Ruben and a friend.
What do you mean?
We not talk again.
I wonder if you know which Ruben me they talk. Are the same Ruben where you say yourself front, you know. Me they talk about you know. Are the same Ruben where
remember say my house in and now, you know. So neighbor can hear what you say and go back go tell me man, you know. Relax, man.
That's why me I talk so loud, cause your house. Yeah.
And you have no right to talk so loud in my house.
Then I offer throat. Are your throaty words them a come out of?
Listen, I know my throat, but I'm my house.
So
me can tell her what to do and what not to do.
How come you pay license for my tongue?
Hello.
So you have to tell me when to speak and when to what?
No, me not tell her when
and what to say and where to say it and how to say it.
No, me just tell her
Hell no, me love.
Then
Hell no, I talk when I want to talk as loud as I want to talk because I sold a battery, I sold a radio, I sold a speaker, so and I get paid to talk. You can't tell me when to talk. You do too much foolishness. No, me come and tell you about your so-called man or your ex-man or whatever. Cause no, me no know. Anyway, I just start up Ruben. You, some man are there with some salt girl and they can cross this one and other girl. Because you and Ruben friend there. And you're going to go there with Ruben. Remember me did tell you for a long time. No see there.
You know, so you're not a good friend.
Me a good friend. No, me know Ruben and he never get no stab yet. Right now he must get stabbed elsewhere and me. The fees here and
so you want to say my fault?
I don't know. But you and Ruben go there and see the boy starting a problem all over the place. You know, we don't know still because you start both for me and come tell me about Ruben have money. Yes, me know say I have money, but me not frightened feet and me not want none. Me like work for what me want. Cause me not make no man style me.
I'm work for money when me want.
That the kind of work the way you put on. Me no want join you. Me and your friend, but we not go do the same job. You that look here, you see for me front, me not run no joke with it. No front joke me no depend. No joke me not run with for me front because you see where you going in the world, you know. You see a Ruben. Who to telephone all one girl stab him, me I think say all broke place. Cause guess what? Ruben a gigolo. Ruben love enough girl and trick them and tell them how he love them and he will give them this and that just to get underneath them clothes. And as soon as he get underneath, they go tell him race a friend them. So who to telephone one crosses girl him take up, we just give one nah look stab. Me no know, me just say sitting cause anything possible.
Me have something to do.
You have something to do run me from your yard. You feel some idea?
No, my boyfriend is
but you know, say even though me not like Ruben style, me glad say no dead door. But me feel say he need to go back a doctor. Me feel say he need cause Ruben.
Lucky.
You lucky? Yeah, for sure. Because I'm
I'm
glad they not unalive him, I swear. Because as somebody pick me still, I know. But me just could never do with Ruben. Me not tell no lie. Into gigolo-ish.
Alright, don't know.
And you, me expect better from you too. Me never, Marika, God no, me not tell no lie. Me ne know say you doesn't go there with your man friend. Me ne know. If your man ever hear Jesus Christ, King come from find in there. And me attack Lord,
You
not
know, so
sure.
you want a wicked piece of girl.
He no come.
Suppose the man did in a room.
Oh, in
You
there. Me
give
can't
all
talk loud
the
then.
information when did forget.
Yeah, idiot. So you that really, you know how me
Suppose
stay already.
camera did in my house. And the man overseas I watch and listen to the camera. You that
So if camera in your house, how long me and friend would know and would take
No,
time?
don't tell her that.
Why you wouldn't tell me?
Come on, know if you're a thief.
You see it? The two with this one another, so it's quick. Boss it. Your jacket. Let me tell you something.
You are Jackie.
Anyway, I can't run you now. I just tell me I can't tell about Ruben.
No, you
So you can go look for him.
No.
Oh God, man, and you tell me
I
you used to
never
give
go look for Ruben.
girl and a little bit of money. You tell me so that the man they give you know. The last time you talk about Ruben, you know, you tell me you give 700 US, you know.
And?
Oh God, man. And sitting doing man and you now go look that me you never love him. My money you did want is a wicked girl.
But me not love Ruben, you know that.
All you?
Me all do it for the money. Hello? Pinky? Yeah, which part of it? Girl, I want to talk to you. Emergency. I want somebody to talk to. Alright, which part you there? Where you there? Alright, no move. Me or come. Me I come talk to you. Alright, no problem. Yes, yeah. Yeah, me so. Yeah, me I come for through, man. Yeah, later. Oh boy. It's getting harder.
Jesus say yes, nobody
Yes, sit
can.
down.
Yes, my love. Wagwan.
Me there. What happened?
Yeah, I'm just there. Take a little cool breeze, I know.
So Pinky, you know hear what going with Ruben?
What you gonna do, Ruben?
You know your son get stabbed up.
What you say? No, sir. Ruben gets stabbed up. You come like say sick. What kind of messages you carry to me? What you mean by Ruben gets stabbed up? So hold on there. He dead?
No, he not dead.
Because if they stab Ruben, we kill him, you know. Me nah go get me monthly money. What me supposed to get? So me want to know who stab Ruben. Because right now me sick. And me chip in my head right now. Who stab Ruben? Who would have stabbed Ruben? What Ruben I do if somebody stab him?
What you ask me, sir?
Why them a try to kill off a Ruben? If stop my money a monthly time.
You can ask me
So
that.
suffer they want me to suffer. Wait, no, who stab Ruben? I don't hear who stab Ruben.
No.
Because right now me sick in a dark right now. Anybody stab Ruben, nah go like it. So me want to know who stab. So hold on there. Oh, you look so guilty. How am?
Yeah, what you talk about me look guilty?
Cause yeah, me see you scratch your head and sit in a hour.
No, me a sketch me because me ear want wash.
Yo. You don't hear nothing at all of who stab Ruben.
No, sir.
So Ruben they know.
Me no know Ruben them ya. Me no see him friend him get stabbed.
No sir, no sir. Me have to go find out where Ruben there. Me have to go check Ruben. Cause this thing nah go so. No worry about that. Right now, me sick in my head. Me not answer no call from nobody right now. So again.
Hey, you see Candy? You can't bother if you can deal with a come up on my yard.
Hey, let me tell you something. You see the look dirty big woman there. Let me tell you something about him. You don't like the girl there now. Cause right now, if me ask you Candy right now, me just texting her to the room and knock out him bombard.
Me not understand what going on there, so why you the one?
Me not like Candy because guess what? You see, when him and Ruben used to chat, or then bust one little piece, he always a stop me food.
Me did hear something about that say Ruben did a look or something like that. But that's not my business still. Come in a business with Candy and Ruben.
Yo, that's not your business, you know. But for a longer time there, me want spot her. Me say me want spot her out.
Just left that
They look
aside,
which
man.
them want spot her out long time. Cause me don't know, me don't understand why she want come stop me food. Eh? And guess what too? In a time she come and come talk. Up to today day now she a talk about oh me want Ruben. What me a do with my brother-in-law? And if after life now, my man dead and gone. Me still would look on him. You think me nasty? You think me careless? Eh? She feel like somebody want Ruben. No,
Hello.
she not feel enough. She a say me and Ruben there.
Listen. Make it rest, listen. Make it rest.
Yeah, make it rest because guess what now?
Ruben, I want to look a dirty man too, you know. Because me feel like you see him wanting to come out of my man life too, you know. Because me feel like him did a stop a ring for me, you know. Ruben yesterday. Him did stop a ring for me. But guess what? Me not talking about Ruben and Candy right now.
Yeah, talk about him and stop fearing. And me a talk about money and now. Because you see when it come on to money, me not have no sense, you know. You see, anybody stab Ruben, may the Lord go with them because he come like so they don't know who me be. No, they don't know who me be. Let me tell you something, you know. You see, if
So
Ruben survived the stab there, and me and him hold one conversation and tell me who stabbed him, remember me tell you say he not go nice. He not go nice at all because if he indeed dead, me not get no more money to bombard. No man, them people are them. No. You know
so
what?
money make you go on, so?
Go on your yard. Go on your yard because
So you run me now?
Yo, you see,
Oh, so you put Ruben over
brother,
me?
you see the heater with the pomade right now. If this thing you do, go on. Come out of my yard, go on.
No, miss you.
Come out. Me no business. Me no care. You're lucky. You no money. You need money. And just go on where you go, yeah, man. You feel like I cross is to where you stop the money to you know. Oh, come back.
Yeah.
Oh.
I look a company for my doctor.
So me if you follow you go doctor.
Yeah.
So me if you follow you go doctor. I mean stab you.
I know you stabbing, but yeah, my woman, we are talking about.
What you mean by you help me with nothing in the house? And all the time and me. Me if you follow you go doctor.
Babe, I am a woman. I have to stand by me.
You not go find somebody who stab you.
But me not talk about that. Me talk about support, babe.
Support you, they support me. You they help me do nothing in the house.
But
every time you come, you're gone. You're gone. So me if you follow you go doctor.
I can't believe that. You know everything good.
Enjoy for you there.
What's up? This is why I'm here for the road. Oh, gosh. Go back to sleep. I'm call her. Come in.
Are you
girl,
yesterday?
go on.
Are you yesterday? Stab your left, right, center.
Come here, I don't feel time yet, you know. I don't feel time to collect your money, you know.
No, no money me combo. I stab where you get me combo.
Are you going? Just an accident. I'm glad to be alive. You understand? Because based on what going, you know, it could have been worse. Because the person was stab off of me, good things to them don't really know what them do. So they stab up the whole of the car.
So you know who?
You know, some in kind of, you know, one state of mind where me never pay attention. So by the time I get the first one, it's like me say to myself, say, me, you know, I don't know if I'm man or woman. You understand? I don't know who. I can't tell you who.
Anyways, me glad say you're alright because if they did analyze you, money would have stopped come to me.
You see me, it's like me, I wonder to myself, I say, for my sister-in-law, I care about me in such a way if you come check me. Right now,
No, me care about you. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you something. Actually, I don't even know how me go on and me here see you get it stabbed.
Well, good for know
me
that
get
still.
done so.
Eh?
When me here see you get it stabbed, me want to know who do it. And right now, to your lucky say you tell me say you don't even know who, because you don't know my thing already, you know.
Yeah, man. As I say, right now, I'm glad to be alive and I kind of, you know, find peace. I find peace because I could have went gone.
Phone all a ring too.
Eh?
Oh, you know, that good man, my phone there ring.
Alright, here we are going. Come here, some of it have to go, you know.
Alright.
So if push comes, yeah, man, good enough, man. You know, like, I'm tell you, you have to bandage up and same thing.
Alright.
So go on do your thing. When I feel time.
Alright,
yeah?
just go on.
And thanks for the visit.
I remember who tell me. Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah, man, me the rest, man. Big up yourself. Yeah?
Ah.
Money she come find. Straight money. Jesus Christ. What can go, so?
You know, I'm not playing no enemy with nobody. I'm not playing no enemy. Hi. Hi, Pinky.
That you man don't call to me. Me your friend? Me say if me your friend. You know some got a doctor yesterday and the doctor said me lack of sense. So me just want you to know say me no have no sense. What you call to me for? After you try stop me food, you have be hard to come chat to me. Woman, sing your way and go on about your business. And don't make a mistake again and call to me. Cause me no like you.
O'Neil, how much you want for an onion?
O'Neil, let me get me me two Irish them.
And I'm me I talk to just a while. And I'm me I talk to.
Are you me I talk to? Me say don't. Yo.
Oi.
O'Neil, me say the Irish and knock her out in a man.
And me I talk to? Could never me I talk to. Me notice that from you come in a my friend life. And I go on like say you're not a friend. You want to come see me on road and tell me. But a lie I tell. And that me I tell you. So yes, when you talk to me, you better know how to talk to.
Are you fi know yourself?
Know yourself. You hear what me I tell you?
Know yourself. When you come and contact me from me, your friend.
So me can't say hi.
No, me ask to say me.
You have somebody have a friend. You can't say
your
hi.
friend, where you talk to me for?
You know say what you just say. It makes sense. You know no sense.
It make right. Me tell you say doctor say me lack of sense.
Me never know.
Me not have no sense.
Before me can say hi to them. You know can call to people.
Let me tell you something, lady. Just go on your ways and leave me alone.
I know nothing.
Leave me alone.
Hello, one for
me not have nothing for you. Me not have nothing for you. So you could come beg me nothing.
And you come and come raise your mouth like me afraid of you. Me afraid of you? Me not afraid of you.
Either. You
All if you're bigger than me,
Me
I'm
want
little and
Marika
maga,
about
so
you.
me not...
Look here. Me say me a go warn Marika
Go
about
on
you,
to
cause you go
Marika.
on like I see you want come
Alright,
jump
go
in
on
my
to
chest, you know.
Marika. Go
But that
on
me
to
a tell you, you
Marika.
know. And I
Go
last
on
one
to
in this
Marika.
video. Cause come like I say, you know,
Go
who you
on to
play with.
Marika. Go on to Marika.
O'Neal, send me
Ah,
phone
yeah.
Onion.
You don't know who you chat to.
Cause you
Go
go
on
like
to
me know
Marika.
say you saw for you either. Cause the way you go on like I say, but for you and the vegetable them are for you.
Everything you saw for me.
Look here.
Everything. Right now, come to the... Just. You see, the devil.
Me can't know you no come and people start and
The
beg.
devil is a liar. The
Me
devil
know
is
say I
a
come
liar.
and come and beg. Hello, 1 pound of onion. Can me not even want to walk past this sucker. If
Watch
I
out, watch out.
make her saliva
Watch
catch
out.
me the out here.
Kuya, watch out with your
Onion,
little
carry onion
$1,000.
give me.
Oh, you go to the little $1,000
Don't
for?
worry yourself about this. This value more than the jazz you have on. Girl, you can't talk to me. Not even know who you are talking to. Beg for me onion, please.
You see the jars that me have on? Can buy everything where you
I'm
have
not
on your
Victoria's Secret,
outside.
I'm not saying
Boy!
nothing. Hold it. Let me
You
check.
come and talk about me jars itch up in a girl, a body cleaner.
How much is onion?
How do you?
Okay.
Only how much for them ya? Cause me don't know how I'm to she. How much for them ya? 2. I can't 2. How are this? Drunk.
No worry yourself. I will buck you again. You see, me no want mash up your face down here, so girl. Me just hold it easy and
you can't mash up your face
Marika
because
tell you about me. Me a mad somebody
you hold a vegetable them would have see a lot for you,
stick
girl.
in my head, girl. Me will done you out here.
You hold a honey vegetable them would have splash out in your face, girl. You're bright and out.
Attack.
Eh? You're bright to come kiss and salute me just how you.
You know what?
Honey, me didn't even want this here.
The girl no have no money.
Go pay for Bismal. Go. She not in the garden.
Could have paid for fear, you know. Dirty girl. Me could have paid for fear.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, me see your text. But what did I say? Ruben. Yeah, me hear about it. Me hear saying get stabbed. You tell her who did it? You know what? Well, that's none of my business still. No, okay. No, me not seeing friend get stabbed. So I'm talk to you? Oh, yeah, call him and I get him. Me understand. Probably not in a one good mood to talk to nobody. Yeah. Me could definitely me sit down outside and look out. No, me not cook it. You send me something tomorrow? Alright then. Yeah, be safe later. Have a wonderful day. Huh. Yeah.
Marika. I'm tired of this one hot, so till. What
I think you need to come back on me yard. How you reach here?
Girl, not say that, not say that. Me go forever come here, me and friend.
Where want?
Anyway, all you see me in a one good mood.
What do you?
Me come to one about dirty butterfoot pinky.
Yeah,
You don't know say me go down and serve. In the market, I walk around and buy a little thing, you know? Come I want some veg, she go cook. Pinky that me see. She just appear up like one ghost. So when me see her, me act like me not acknowledge say me see her stand up over this, you know. Cause from me see her face, me see say the expression on her face show me say me no fi call to her. So me no say nothing, cause me know she not like me from morning for some reason when me no know of. That's a fair business. I don't care. You know say the girls see me. And me go walk and go over there, even though my mind tell me say me need to call to her. Me go over there and say to her, say, what go and think you, alright? Don't call me name. No call me name. Me and no friend. Because you want to stop me food and one dip of sitting. Me I say, the way me shock. Me astonished. Me not have no clue what she talk about.
So why should I say that? You do her something?
Me not do her nothing, I swear to God. Me just stand, when she attack, if you ever see vendor, them how them a look on her.
Yeah.
The girl, they exaggerate herself. She just exalt so. And so she a go on like I say she has some bulldog conqueror. Look here. Let me tell you something. Marika, me your friend. You know Pinky as your type of friend, but she is not my friend, but me is not her enemy. And she want me to be her enemy for me no know as me tell her before. Let me tell her something want her. Because she don't even know who she a play with. She don't know who she a play with. Tell her say, Candy, I don't want nice somebody she Pinky come play with because my head no good. My head sick.
So,
you see, the last time I go overseas, me did already tell us that I left my medication on the plane. And I never bring them to take them. So I don't want you trouble me if I not trouble her. So somebody if you just see you and call to you. All in my mind tell me if you not call to her. Me call to her. And you go turn on a come cuss me like I said me in an argument for a long time. You have me up for something.
She explain what you do?
Explain what the girl have me up for something when me don't know about. She not tell me.
Alright, me go find out. Me get down to bottom my situation.
God know me, I tell her, me I beg you, do in the name of Jesus, one Pinky. One her because me no want me and her have nothing. You hear me, I tell her? Yeah. Me no want to control people in her, you know already, you know. But me and a friend, and me tell her all the way I'm Pinky, a friend, any Pinky mess with you, you're not going to like when me go do Pinky, you know. So tell her to leave me alone. Social distance between me and Pinky right now. Me not even call back to her again. She come like my little dog run her back when name Rex. All when you not give Rex no bone. And he see then you want. Ever the eggs up. All when you say, that is Pinky. Tell Pinky to leave me alone. I me never know say so she disgraceful and stay. The girl just load out her mouth and I create excitement and I draw down crowd. Everybody see me and the second day away on her. Guess what? Me not answer she want to up on a course. Be excitement the girl depend down there.
But she never tell me.
He not go tell you. He not go tell you that she should say you're no friend. It's like when we sit down and discuss certain things and you explain to me certain things and we tell you if you're right or wrong. She not go do that. Because she's a hypocrite. Pinky a back and belly rat. Pinky is a two mouth. Pinky try twist up around her belly to her ears. Me can't stand the girl. Me never know say so she stay. And when me do she so. What me could have ever do her so make she hate me like that. I don't do this girl nothing. Me don't go know her and see you and her as friend. And that's why I tell her say, you know. Me and friend, you know. I mean like keep a friend them where you keep in America. Because you see them friend they go make me and you have sitting too, you know.
And you want Pinky alone, me have as friend. Where other friend they?
Me I wonder if I hungry Pinky did hungry. Because me just pass and say, you alright? And so the girl nearly swallow me like a you will swallow Jonah.
Nothing Pinky did hungry. Probably she have up your face something. You probably do something you don't know.
How if you do something and me don't know? Even the little people them nowadays were born and then grow up so fast, know where they do wrong from right. And me big old great one, woman, do something wrong and me don't know.
I don't know.
Well, tell her if she come confront me and explain herself. And make me understand how I go down. Because if me do her something wrong and me know something wrong, me can tell her sorry. Me not too big or too old or too young to say I am sorry. Me can apologize to her whether she want to accept it or not. She can't come have me for something when me don't know about and me just call to her and she want to jump down me throat. Shower. And that me see, but tell her say the wrong tree this she try to climb up and cause the limb then we broke off with her. Me know, no joking. And me serious, you know. Right now me did out beg some water and the way me grieve. Me no bother want you water. I lie, water gonna for you too.
Water gone, girl.
If you know how long we are call water commission to come connect back a pipe and nobody in the community no hold no bill. Then now come down go say something wrong with the something.
The pipe.
We then call the hygiene or whatever sitting, you must be bus or sitting and then if you go do whatever the water down the road the waste while we up here so and little water and can't get it. Girl, the whole of me clothes them dirty. The whole of me
That
clothes them.
river. You not live near river. You are the near river
Rain
now.
no fall from how much amount now the river dry. All the river run dry. The whole of me clothes them dirty. Every clothes, the drawers them dirty, brassiere dirty, my pants, my tights, my dress, everybody dirty.
So we wear your clothes.
No, I
now.
don't mind them here.
How far?
And the girl next door, me borrow them from you.
Jesus, come get here.
I tell nobody, you know, say you did that too far from me.
Me?
I did want come down here to come borrow
No,
one suit
and
of
you
clothes
will
from-
tell people because you're out loud, you come like a big truck them way.
Yes, me,
Hill.
a tunnel. But
you
guess
are
what? You
tell them
know,
and
say
not
me
me.
don't care. Big truck it is tunnel. But guess what? You are my friend, and if you're wearing the clothes, me would have borrow your clothes. But you see, true, you
No,
live
my
way down here,
clothes
so don't
like
have
can't
to
fit you. Your
Why?
bottom too big.
No, not say that. Not say so, man. Guess
so.
what? Me gonna make a run now. Anyway,
Yeah,
when I say here about when you again, let me tell you say,
you love chat people too much. Come get your yard.
are Ruben in him?
Or the Ruben.
From the last time I did see him and he did have sitting over in hand, me I wonder if he had better or Congo woman take
I
care
don't
of
know,
him.
I not see Ruben.
Ruben look big and nasty now. Ruben not even take care of his hand. When me see it, and him come tell me about Dr. Jesse or a nurse, whatever. And he look like I say he want clean. Ruben big and nasty. Ruben need to take care of his hand because he have money. And when I do it, say, no me know say true. Ruben love by front. Ruben love too much girl and he look like he spend off with me. Now saying he have no money because I know say I did money boy. But he look like I say Ruben don't have the whole line money up on the beach road.
Why you come and talk about Ruben now? Me no want to talk about Ruben. I don't want to
No
talk
man,
about
sitting
Ruben.
wrong man. Sitting wrong. You know so when me there in the market, me hear somebody ball out and they say, how a pinky friend stab Ruben?
I know
Me
my
go
only
in but
friend
me nah
Pinky
bother.
have.
Because me just remember some things in my brain. Eh?
I know my only friend Pinky have. So what you feel say me? I know me not do
Me no know if I you me not feel say you. Suppose you do it. What that go do to me? I know me yourself. You think you can ramp with me? You must be bright. The green tights out that turn red or blue. You must be mad. Then, let me ask you something, Marika. Marika, you not hear about it yet. And you not go look if you see Ruben. You're a wicked girl, you say I did your man. You're born a man where you
Ruben,
keep.
I never me man.
But you did the day with him. You're too wicked
We
and
never
out
did, we
order.
just did that.
So your
we
man
not
where you
even
say
know
a
to
carpenter where they are foreign and have visa. Him then they used to send money come give you. And you did it with
He
Ruben.
still a
same way.
send money, can't give me.
And you did it there with Ruben. You're a dirty girl. You see what me tell you? That's why
When
you're
you
pinky
come on
match.
me yard, when you come on me yard,
You
me
want
mess with
pinky
me, I mean,
match.
like you said,
I wonder if I
can
you set
me.
up pinky if you can come cuss me.
Candy, how you live? No, sir. Sincerely, every minute you have come on yard. But I like it stand. No.
Come here, man. I just, me not gonna harm you, man. Just come in, man.
You sure?
I mean, say me sure. Me want harm you a long time. I don't know where you live. I want to talk to you. Tell me, son. You know what you do was wrong, not true? Because I guess I know. I never say I force you know. I pay you for your services. You understand me? I say, I may just get overwhelmed and caught up in a whole situation. Me tell you this. You understand? Say something wrong me I do and this, a good thing say you don't know if it stop. Because the whole of my car seat stab up. I just one stab catch me and it just cut one thing I say what make my hand can't really use properly right now. You have to go heal up. You have to know what you are doing, you know. What kind of thought this? You get paid for your services. And they really can't do me that. How if you do me that? Eh?
Because every time I tell her, say, no, you're still
Then no,
come back.
so where you come for then? You say no and you come with me. Every time. I me grab you and pull it like you. Eh?
No.
I me grab your hand and put him on your hand. Eh? How you go down? Who feel what? See me I know right now if you call police on you, but me nobody do it because you know what? Me know say if my brethren gonna hear certain things, you mean shame on me more than how you shame on you.
You feel so?
What you mean? Me I come from far. I say me, hey, I remember when he meet you, me my friend long time, you know. So you fresh to this team, yeah. You understand me I say?
Me never.
Far me and Barry I come from. So me know when you come go and like say I don't favoritism, I don't nothing at all. What if me tell him this I know and say stab me? Plus your I didn't want to say that.
Plus my what?
You're doing things. You're doing things. So if our next man come,
so you want dirty man.
me a dirty man how?
Yeah, you want dirty man because I'm your best friend and I just know not friend. And you come up here and bribing woman with money.
Sorry, woman ahead. You're chicken head, eh? You're chicken.
Oh, so this me
not listen about.
collect your money.
Me not business about that. You collect it. Me get them if you forget, but the last time me not get them if you forget, you know. So me need to get back that money there. Can me give the money and
me not give no money.
Listen to me. Just what? All right. You don't want a problem with me? Give me back my money.
Or else what?
You really want to know or else what?
Or else what? Me not give back no money.
Me either catch me.
You feel like you feel like you can use people girl pitney.
This money I chat me. All right.
No, every time listen to me. You feel like you can do what you want to do with people girl pitney and get everybody scotch free?
When you going to my searching shop? How are you doing? You going to take out stuff and come out? Or you going to give me money and come out?
Me have to pay.
So hold on. So if Mr. Chin Vex say you come in with the things, so Mr. Chin Vex, I can't ever talk it proper. When you give Mr. Chin money, in Vex you give me money?
No.
You can come out within things without give me money?
No.
And if you give me...
So what you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
Give me back my money.
No, you not get back your money because me always at your service.
You never...
But me never at your service this time.
Alright, it's good.
And but the money is mine.
I'm going to tell Barry. Me, I got to tell you. You're too purpose. You're wrong and strong. I go tell Barry. If I don't tell, it's when Barry is next.
You see when me dey stab you, I wish me dey analyze.
Me know. And right now, you talk this, me feel like you do your things, but you know what me now do? Me now go do that to my brethren girl. Me don't do a lot of things already. This would have been worse.
That's why you should have just let it go, let go the money business.
Give me my money, but let go it's money business. You're laughing, you're sweet, isn't it?
Kentucky.
That you really said? Kentucky?
Yes, Kentucky.
True, man, that hurt me. But I can't take it for true.
Take what?
Know yourself.
Why you did that count?
I can't take it. Alright.
You're a little pervert.
Oh, me feel be pervert and me pay for my goods. Go to the dictionary.
Me not listen. You're a dirty man. Come out of my house. Come here, believe say you do that look my friend Candy. Everybody, you not pass nothing on the road. How you not look pinky? What's that true, your brother, woman? That if you not have it in your intention to look your brother, woman.
Let me tell you this. Don't judge me.
Me if you not judge
when you don't know me a kind of situation, you don't understand me a kind of situation. Sometimes people tell a story, but they don't tell the truth. The full story is the full story, which you don't even know that. That we pass for your peer grade. So listen, me I tell you this. Me I give you, and maybe you use some of my money already.
Me use all my money. All I the money done. Me not have no money, so me don't know how you go get it back.
You know me get it back?
No.
You know me? You know Ruben?
I don't need to know you.
You want to know Ruben?
I don't want to know Ruben.
You don't want to know Ruben?
No.
Okay, watch where I go on then. Have a wonderful evening.
Yes, and I hope you walk off my stage and drop down.
Yeah, man. Welcome. Back to you.
Wow. Urban Guan, drop off 5 stairs.
Ruben no there.
Alright.
How why money you come for?
No, sir. I mean, when we come, but chewing get stabbed, me I can't check on him.
Oh, so you're saying get stabbed?
Yeah, that's why I'm there, cause he get some stab
Boy,
and
Ruben,
thing.
nah have no time for me from when as in coming gone, in just in coming eating gone, in dash down all the clothes them in the house and me have to dey walk behind him like him a little picnic.
Ruben. So, you know who stab him?
America stab him.
Huh?
You know hear me say? America stab him in a right teeth. You know hear me?
Yeah. Oh, so America stab him.
Yes, America stab him.
Oh, so in good though.
In good man.
Yeah, alright, and everything.
Yeah man, me just tell him see stop.
Yeah, alright. Oh no, chinny mini.
Oh chinny mini. Come like in a here say Ruben Ruben out. Ruben hardly there here. And me and the chinny mini.
Alright, just go and take care of baby here.
Alright.
So we link.
Alright.
Marika.
Oi.
Again.
There.
Good.
Yeah, which breeze blow you up a sign of the time
I just stay in there now. I'm going easy. Try going.
What there?
Come for me a reason.
Alright then, come. Where you say I go now?
Alright. My friend though. Me have been through things. Me share my problem with you. You share your problem with me. Me know your struggle. You know my struggle. Right?
Yeah.
So, how would I feel if somebody a try to stop your phone, your money flow?
When I feel away if somebody a try to stop that. Our problem.
You would feel that way though?
Yeah.
When last you hear from Ruben?
Why you not ask me about my man with their friend? Why you always ask me about Ruben?
No, I don't know. I know. Me just ask you when last you hear from him or see him. Alright then. One of the worst thing of when somebody a try very hard to stop my food.
Pinky, you come over here and you're talking of parables. Me not understand you. Go straight to the point. Why
Alright.
you go around the bush? What?
Alright. When I tell me say Ruben get stabbed, right? How long you know about this?
I know about it same day when everybody know about it.
Alright. You see me, me is a straightforward person.
No,
you
Pinky,
know that
Pinky,
for a long
Pinky.
time.
No, listen. You confuse me right now. Me not understand what go on.
Oh, me are confused. What
You confuse me.
Me I get to it.
Alright, get to a point.
I am getting to it.
Get to a point.
I am saying that for a longer time there, me am an outspoken person. Are you stop Ruben?
No, I wanna do that. I have no reason to stop him.
And I used to Ruben. Marika, why y'all looking at my eye and I tell me lie? Say you not stop Ruben.
Why you alright, Pinky? You see time?
Girl.
No, you see time and night. You
Girl.
come at me yard and I come accuse me about me stop people.
Girl.
I don't understand.
You stop Ruben. No.
No, who tell us me stop?
Hold on there. Me and you go through so much. And you really I look for me and tell me say you not stop Ruben.
Me not stop him. Why your problem?
Why you do me this, girl?
What you mean?
Why you do me this?
What
Why
me
you
do?
stop me food? Why people like a uno stay so in a life, girl?
Oh, so
why you so selfish?
Oh, so food you come over yourself to defend?
Why you stop my money, girl? How you want me to suffer?
Girl, come
How you want me to suffer?
Come go on home because I don't understand why you're the pants tonight.
Oh, so you don't care about my feelings?
Why you say that?
Idiot.
How that Pinky?
You don't care about my feelings?
You really come over yourself?
Oh, you're full of chats a while ago.
Pinky, me and your
say,
friend,
oh, you're
girl.
full of chats a while ago.
Girl, me and your friend, you really come over yourself to kill me?
Friend, this is what friends for.
To subscribe is free.
Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Hey, I miss it. Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. Yeah, I miss it. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Yeah man, wanna make it to the end? Thank you again, you know what I mean? And if you don't watch it and don't like it, do the right thing, share it, you know what I mean? Spread it out, comment, let me know what I want. Because as them say up at top, you subscribe yet? And to subscribe is free, you know what I mean? So big up yourself and see you on the next project.
You subscribe yet?
Which one? Oh, they want to depend you. Oh, they want to depend me.
So you're going to start here now?
You're not going to feel nervous only? Yeah.
Ready? Think you're not laughing, you're not laughing. Like you're not laughing.
My reason why I laugh is when she say, money you come out, so I say,
Laugh again.
oh, laugh.
Yeah, like that. Come on, man.
Aye.
So you start, right? And action.
And then money me come out, man. Chewing get stabbed, me I can't check on him.
Oh, so you're saying get stabbed?
Yeah, that's why I'm there here, because he get some stuff.
Boy, Ruben, I had no time for me from when as in coming gone, in coming eating gone, in dash down all the clothes them in the house and me have to walk behind him like him a little picnic.
Ruben. So, you know who stab him?
America stab him.
Huh?
You know, I hear good. The girl named America, she stab him in her ass.
But you're not going to you will leave.
Is that record, right? And action!
O'Neil! I'm too Irish there.
Mind tell me if you don't call to a girl, you know. God knows mind tell me if you don't call to that girl. You know, me not play no enemy with nobody. Not play no enemy. Hi. Hi, Pinky.
Dirty woman, don't call to me.
Father, love it.
can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. You are who you are, appreciate it. Don't be ungrateful trying to be somebody else. Don't forget your powers from deep within. The source is from your heart, that's where it all begins. This time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. Don't you stress it, cause you know say Jah Jah cover you. Just strive for the best, cause Jah Jah guide you. Jah will never leave you by the roadside, it's up to you. We're stepping on this battlefield life has brought along, yeah. Ain't no pretty, no, ain't no pretty. Just keep fighting on, yeah. Jah alone is said, me now worry, cause me can pray. We face haters every day, but I don't care what they say, what they say. In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. Don't you doubt yourself, just believe and you'll achieve. Don't you doubt yourself, just believe and you'll excel. From your heart, yeah. In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. Only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you.